So let's add new font to Photoshop. So right now I'm using the bold font and I want something new. So just go to your Chrome or browser, then go to DaFont.com and you can find a lot of font from here, or you can also find font from other website as well. So I'm just going to go with this Gabeline font here and I'm going to download this. So download this. I'm just going to download this on my download folders and open up the zip. So you can see this is on OTF file. Sometimes you will get TTF. So you can open both those files, and if you like the font, you can simply click on install. And there you go. Now it's been installed. Now search Gabeline on Photoshop or whatever font that you guys have installed. So let me see Gabeline here. As you guys can see, it's installed right through the Gabeline. There you go. So this is how you should install a Gabeline font or whatever font that you guys wanted to on your Photoshop. So it's that simple to install new font on Photoshop. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next video. Peace.